Yes, welcome back, student. Now, today we are taking the topic LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. So, first of all, we are going to understand what is lowest common multiple. So, for this, I am taking one example. Let us take the number 12 and 9. Now, we are going to write the table of 12 and 9. I am writing some numbers. If we take 12 into 1, we get 12, 12 into 2, 24, 12 into 3, 36, then 48, 12, 5, 60. So up to 5 I am taking. Now let us take the table of 9 up to 5. 9 into 1, 9, 9 to 18, 9 3, 27, 9 4, 36, 9 5, 45. So these are the multiples of 9, these are the 5 multiples of 9 and these are the 5 multiples of 12. Now let us take the common multiple out of these. So we are observing 36 comes in the table of 12 and also in the table of 9. If we proceed the table, then you can find some more numbers which are common in both of them. So out of these, the first one, whatever be the first one you get as a common, will be considered as the lowest common multiple. So here we can see lowest common multiple of 12 and 9 is 36. Some more multiple you can find, but out of those multiples, the lowest, the least one is 36. So that's why 36 will be taken as LCM of 12 and 9. Now again, for finding it, there are some processes. For finding the LCM, let us do those processes. I am taking some examples. One example I am taking, let us find the LCM of 9 and 4. Find the LCM of 9 and 16. Let me take 16. So as we did in the case of HCF, first of all we are going to find the prime factors of 9 and the prime factors of 16 separately. So we are doing the solution. First we are going to find the prime factors of 9 and then the prime factors of 16. You can find them separately or you can take them together also. So both the process I am telling you. So if you are taking them separately, check by which table it can be cancelled. So 3, 3, 9 and 3 one time. 16 comes in the table of 2, 2, 8, 16, 2, 4, 8, 2, 2, 4 and 2 one time. So separately we have find the prime factors of both the numbers. Now check whether there is any common factor. So here we are observing there is no common factor. So what we have to do for finding the LCM of 9 and 16, we have to take all the factors. 3 multiply 3 multiply then all the 2 multiply 2, 4 times 2 you have to take and multiply all of them. So when you are going to multiply all of them, you will get 3, 3, 9, 9 to 18, 18 to 36, then 2 to 4, 36 into 4 will give 6, 4, 24, 4, 2 carry 4, 3, 12, 13, 14. So you will get 144. So if you are taking separately, then you have to check whether any common factor is there. If any common factor is there, then circle those common factor. Out of those common factor, you have to take only one time that number and the other uncommon numbers, uncommon factors, you have to multiply with that number. Now you can also find it by taking both the numbers together. So now I am taking both the numbers together, 9 and 16. So it is better to take both the numbers together for finding the LCM, because some of the students, they find problem in taking the factors separately and they forget which is to be taken and which is not to be taken. So better for finding the LCM, take whatever be the number given for which you have to find the LCM, take them together. So taking them together, you have to identify, is there any common table by both of them, by which both of them can be divisible. If there is no, then you can take one by one. So first I am taking 2, in the table of 2, 9 does not come, 2, 8, 16. Then again table of 2, 9 does not come, but 8 can be cancelled. Then again with the table of 2, 9 does not come, 2 will be cancelled. Again, now this second factor, the second number is completely divided by 2. Now come to the 9, 9 comes in the table of 3, 3, 9 and 3 into 1 will give 1. Now multiply all these prime factors for finding the LCM. So therefore LCM of 9 and 16 is equal to, you have to multiply all these factors. So we have to take 2 4 times and 3 2 times. So when you are going to multiply all of them, you will get the same number, 144. So this way student, you can find the LCM. Let us take one more example. In that example, I have selected 3 numbers, 20, 25 and 30. So second part I am taking, find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. For finding the LCM, what you have to do, you have to take all the numbers together and find their common prime factors. So let us take the table by which all of them can be divided. So 0 is their last, at the last, in the second we have 5 at the last, in the third we have 0 at the last. And we are observing that it can be divisible by the table of 5. So I am taking 5, 5 is the prime factor, prime number, so we can take 5. 5 4 20, 5 5 25, 5 6 30. Now again with the table of 5, 5 can be cancelled. The rest of the number you have to write as they are. Now with the table of 2 we can cancel 2 2 4, 2 3 6. Again with the table of 2, 2 can be cancelled, 3 is left. Now 3 will be cancelled with the table of 3. So we have got these as the prime factors of these 3 numbers. Now at the last, for finding the LCM, we have to multiply all these factors. So therefore we can see LCM of 20, 25, 30 is equal to, we have to multiply 5 2 times, then 2 times and 3. Multiply all of them. 5 to 10, 5 to 10, 10, 10, 100, 103 will give 300. So 300 is the LCM of these 3 given numbers. So this way student, you can find LCM of any of the numbers. So this is for today. Thank you to all for hearing me.